مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. This is Dr. Amran. Welcome to my channel. Today I have 20 adverbs of place for you, known as ظروف المكان, with some short phrases and a brief analysis of the individual vocabulary. Shall we start? Let's get on with it. Number 1, خلف, close behind. أنا خلف المنتزه. I am close behind the park. أنا, I am. خلف, behind, close behind. المنتزه, the park, also known as المتنزه, the park. أنا خلف المنتزه. Number 2, وراء, distant behind. دراجة قادمة وراءنا. دراجة قادمة وراءنا. A bicycle is coming distant behind us. دراجة, a bike. قادمة is coming. وراءنا, distant behind us. Na, as mean us. دراجة قادمة وراءنا. Number 3, أمام, in front of. أنا أمام المتحف. I am in front of the museum. أنا, I am. أمام, in front of. المتحف, the museum. أنا أمام المتحف. Number 4, يمينا, right. In عاطف يمينا, speaking to a man, turn right. In عاطفي, speaking to a woman, in عاطفي يمينا, turn right. In عاطف, that is imperative, command to a man, turn or turn off. To a woman, in عاطفي, turn or turn off. يمينا, right. Number 5, يسار, left. بيتي على اليسار. My house is on the left. بيت, say house. You can call it also منزل. بيتي, my house. منزلي, my house or my home. على اليسار, على is on. اليسار, left. Number 6, فوق, above. شقتي فوق الصيدلية. My flat is above the pharmacy. شقتي, شقة, meaning a flat or apartment. It can also be pronounced شقة or شقة as well. شقتي, my flat. فوق above الصيدلية the pharmacy. شقتي فوق الصيدلية. Number 7 نحو towards. أنا متجه نحو بيتك. I am heading towards your house. أنا I am متجه heading towards. Heading remand. A woman will say متجهة. نحو towards بيتك your house speaking to a man. بيتك speaking to a woman your house. أنا متجه نحو بيتك وأنا متجهة a woman speaking. أنا متجهة نحو بيتك. Number 8 هناك there. سأكون هناك قريبا. I'll be there soon. سأكون future tense. أكون I'll be. هناك there قريبا soon. سأكون هناك قريبا. Number 9 هنا here. أنا هنا في انتظارك. I'm here waiting for you. أنا I am هنا here في انتظارك waiting for you. Number 10 عند at or by. أنا واقف عند الباب. I am standing by the door. A man speaking. A woman will say أنا واقفة instead of واقف. أنا واقفة عند الباب. I am standing by the door. Number 11 أسفل underneath or below. شقتي أسفل العيادة. My flat or my apartment is underneath the clinic. شقتي my flat أسفل underneath or below العيادة the clinic. شقتي أسفل العيادة. Number 12 تحت below. تحت شقتي دكان. There is a shop below my flat. تحت below شقتي my flat دكان. A shop. You can call a shop also محل. تحت شقتي دكان. Number 13 داخل inside. أنا مشغول داخل البيت. أنا مشغول داخل البيت. I am busy inside the house. أنا I am مشغول busy in occupied. داخل inside البيت the house. أنا مشغول داخل البيت. Number 14 خارجة outside. انتظرني خارج البيت. Wait for me outside the house. Speaking to a man. To a woman you say انتظريني خارج البيت. Wait for me outside the house. انتظر, that's mean wait, a command. Me, wait for me. To the woman you say انتظريني, wait for me. خارجة outside, البيت the house. انتظرني خارج البيت to the man. To the woman انتظريني خارج البيت. Number 15 بين between or among. أنا واقف بين الخباز والجزار. أنا واقف بين الخباز والجزار. I am standing between the baker and the butcher. أنا واقف بين الخباز والجزار. Number 16 حول around. مناقشة حول الطاولة. مناقشة حول الطاولة. Around the table discussion. مناقشة as mean discussion. حول around. الطاولة table, the table. مناقشة حول الطاولة. Number 17 غربا west. أنا متجه غربا. I am heading west. أنا I am متجه heading, a man speaking. A woman will say أنا متجهة. I'm heading غربا west. أنا متجه غربا. Number 18 شمالا north. اتجه شمالا. Go north. Head north. Speaking to the man. To the woman you say اتجهي شمالا. Go north. Head north. اتجه شمالا. اتجهي شمالا. Number 19 جنوبا south. انعطف جنوبا. Speaking to a man. Turn south. To the woman you say انعطفي جنوبا. Turn south. Number 20 finally, number 20 شرقا east. ثم اتجه شرقا, then head east. Speaking to a man. To a woman you say ثم اتجهي شرقا, then head east. ثم means then. اتجه for a man, اتجهي to a woman, head شرقا east. Here we are, another 20 adverbs of place for you, with some short sentences and analysis of the individual vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe before you go. Please subscribe and send this link to your contacts for me. Thank you so much. And please don't forget my charity. There is a link below. We need your help, please. And it's called helpinghandsforeducation.org. We are building an educational and well-being center for the needy, for my children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, southwestern Nigeria. Thank you so much for some of you who have made some donation. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. Shakarallahu lakum. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhala surura ila qulubikum. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.